Like, I want to try and sit and be comfortable. So you guys, hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. If you are new here or if this is your first time coming across my face, hi, my name is Bukola and you're welcome on my channel. Today we do recap on Monday, but I know today is Tuesday, so please don't judge me. We are still going to be having our recap. I told you guys I'm not carrying anyone over this year, so we're just going to go straight into this question. I always try as much as possible to bring out about 8 to 10 questions that I know that are important. So if you're new here, this is just me getting close to you guys by answering you guys' question and at least drop my own honest answer. So the very first question is, could you make a video on butt or hip enlargement oil and cream? I think I made one video on butt oil, and if you make that video or if you still want to use that formula or that recipe, then you can always add ginger oil to it. If you know you want to use that recipe, you can add ginger oil to it. And yeah, I think I've made the butt oil, the butt or hip enlargement cream. I don't know if I'm going to be making it. That is not my line. It is just something that I just like have an idea. I have that recipe with me then, and I'm just like, let me just share it with you guys. So it's not as if that is my major line, so I am not promising, but if I am able to, like, if I feel like attending a tutorial about it and I have it with me, then definitely I'll be sharing with you guys. But for now, I cannot promise, and if you guys end up seeing it, it's fine. Can someone trying for a baby use the Phytocollagen supplement? See, it's not even about the Phytocollagen supplements, and that's why I said it in that video, that when it comes to drug, when it comes to stuff like this, supplements and all of those things, I am so big on knowing or getting my facts right before I tell someone, oh, you can do this. So if you are pregnant because of some underlying condition, then you can always see a pharmacist. That was why I said it in that video, that if you want to get a supplement in Abuja, then you can go to H-Medics. They have pharmacy and supermarkets, because there are a lot of people there to attend to you. They have a pharmacist there that you can talk to. It is always better for a pharmacist to attend to you, because they're going to ask you questions. Like, they have some questions that they will ask you for them to determine the type of supplements that you will be able to use. And as far as you being pregnant, I think that is on another level where you need a pharmacist before you take any type of supplement. It might not even be because of you, it might be because of the baby. So make sure that you don't just take any supplement anyhow and see a practitioner. So that's what I'm going to say about that. Next one is, where can I get Phytocollagen in Lagos? I don't stay in Lagos. In fact, my entire life, I think I've only been able to spend about 36 hours in Lagos in my life, so I really don't know places in Lagos. But if you know that you want to get stuffs like this, you can go to trade fair. Even if they don't have in trade fair, there's going to be a connect of somebody that has in trade fair, so you can always go to trade fair. If you want to start a skincare business, I think people who are in Lagos can also go to trade fair, because where we are here, even they go to trade fair to go and buy and resell. So basically, I think you can always go to trade fair, and if they don't have, there's always someone there that is going to link you up with something. I know what I'm saying, because people will come there and tell you they have this in case you have somebody looking for it, and through that you get the connect. So you can always get in Lagos, I'm sure, but where exactly I don't know. But I have patches on my face. Some parts are more fair than some other parts, and my wedding is next month. I am so sorry about that, but what I can say you should do is, please stay away from anything that will tell you they want to make the other part of your face clearer to match up the white part inside. I will advise you get the CeraVe salicylic acid cream that I review, because that is really going to help you with this. And in case of any further reactions that you have after, this is definitely going to help you with it. I have reviewed the particular CeraVe salicylic acid cream, so you can always go and get it. And if you're watching me as well and you have eczema, if you have white patches, you can always get the salicylic acid CeraVe cream. It is going to help you with all of these things. So next one is, does YC and Disa sunscreen cause a white residue? If I have to be honest with you guys, it causes white residue. When you put it on your face, when you put it on your face and you are in a place that is a bit not a bit cold, you might really not notice it. But when you sweat, that's when you understand what I'm talking about. So, or when you go out in the sun and all of those things, you will notice that it leaves a little white residue on your face. And if you want sunscreen that does not leave white cast on the face, you can always go for other sunscreen like the Purito sunscreen, the unscented Purito sunscreen, the black is it black gel sunscreen, there are other gel like sunscreen don't leave white cast. That's it. That's one thing about gel like sunscreen. If you have a sunscreen that is like gel, then definitely you are not going to be having a white cast. Next one is, what can I use for my bleached skin? I want to go back to my natural skin. If you're trying to repair your skin, I would advise you go for the advanced clinical vitamin C cream. It has proven to work a lot on bleach cream and reset it back to factory setting. So if you know that you want to go back to your normal skin and you have a bleached skin, you can always go for advanced clinical vitamin C, especially the vitamin C one in quotes, the vitamin C one, because you guys know vitamin C is an all-rounder, so it is going to help you a lot in that aspect if you are trying to take your skin back to your natural skin. Next one is, how do you use the body butter? How do you use body butter with lotion? I have always been wanting to address this. There are a lot of people that ask how you use body butter. I'm trying to make this focus. People asking how you balance your body lotion with your body butter, just in case you have the two, on how you can use them. See, if you are using anything that you know that is in the lightening category or the whitening category, you need a body butter. If you are using a whitening cream, if you are using a lightening cream, they are not meant to be used every day, if at all you even want to use it. I am not advising you to go for whitening creams to whiten up your skin or whatever, but I know as much as we want to preach that, there are some people who are bent on doing it or using it. So let me give you a very good advice that can help you. So if you're using a whitening cream or stuff you are using, you know definitely that it is enhancing your skin way more than normal. Those products, I will advise you slow down on using them every day in the week. So that's where body butter comes in, and that's how body butter can help you. So if you know that you are into that category of somebody using something like that, then it is not meant to be used every day, basically. So on days where you don't want to use the cream, or on days that you are not meant to use the cream, then you can always go for body butter. So if you use your cream every day, 7 days in a week, you can just cut it into 2 and start using it 4 times in a week or 4 days in a week, and use your body butter to shock in the rest. It is not going to take it's not going to slow down the process of the cream. It is only going to give you a better skin tone. So that's how you can use it. It's not as if you put butter on your hand, you put cream on your hand. No, you might not do it like I will advise you not to even do it like that, since it is not an oil. But if you know that you are using stuffs like that, just cut out days that you are going to be using your cream. If you know you are going to be home on weekend, make weekend days that you are going to be using all those stuff that whiten, lighten, do all those things. And maybe during the day where you know you expose yourself to a lot of things, then make the body butter your best friend. So that's what I'm going to say. So if you have both at hand, if you have a cream and a body butter, you can always shuffle it. You don't need to it's not stressing out. So okay, the last one is, can I use the Nivea Q10 on my face? I always tell you guys, body lotions are not meant for the face. There are people who pass with it, especially guys. I always wonder how guys do it. There are guys who pass, a lot of guys pass for this, that they use their body lotion on their face, even a lot of ladies as well. But I'm not going to advise you to use a body lotion on your face. But if at all you want to use it, when you try using it maybe beside your cheek or at the back of your, just that area, and you notice that there is something there, please just stop, because the reaction is going to give you on your face and your body. By the time you want to try and get rid of that, the one on your face might not go faster, and because the face is the very first thing that most people see whenever they meet you, you might get worried, and that's why people will tell you, oh, my face is making me depressed because it's not nice, it's not this, it's not that. So just save yourself the stress and get a face kit for yourself, a good toner, a good cleanser, a good sunscreen, and a good moisturizer, and you are good to go. One thing about face products is that they last, because if you invest in your face products, because they are meant for your face and your neck alone, majority of the time they last so well if you know how to use it very well. So I'm not going to be advising you to use the Q10 on your face, but if at all you are somebody who try to use your body lotion on your face, then definitely I don't have anything to say about that. But I will say you try try as much as possible to always get a special kit for your face, because a lot of things, our face is going through a lot of things. Our face is the one in front of this thing, so make sure that you get a particular kit for your face that is going to help you. So that is all I'm going to say. So if you watch this video to this particular point, if you watch this video to this particular point and you have not subscribed, tell me what you're waiting for. And yeah, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification as well, so that anytime I drop new videos, YouTube is going to do the job that I told them to do for me, and that is you getting notified anytime I drop new videos. And yeah, you guys, I will talk to you guys later in my other videos. Bye guys.